Dukunigabaga kwanira igoro y'uburaibe Chama kia ODM hanene igoro yogochorwa kwayo mu governor be county ya Kisumu Prof.Anyang asekeria tebire buna egetamkire kyo nigo kereke yakegima asekeria Nyongo nigo abwate obumanyi nabo igo amasomo ye kerengo kegoro go cyakora Chama kia ODM nonyara bonigatebna orogongo rwa Gusii rwaberero kwebwa mono ase oburaya sekiame kyo kia ODM yekorani gekorengani wabuna Gusii nigo yaruro muchango bomonene ase kiame kyo kurende nigo batari konyora amabaga mange ya oburai ase Chama.
Prof.Anyang Nyongo is a very capable person. He's a politician with a lot of experience. He's a professor, very learned, very exposed, and he's not a controversial person. So we support him as a new party leader. But I've always felt that people from Kisii region who always support ODM to the last man are still getting the short end of the stick. Kisii needs more visible positions in the party. Otherwise, our continued stay will not be tenable come 2027. That I can say on record. We have no parliamentary position as Kisii in ODM. We have no substantive position in the central management of ODM. But yet, we contribute to the vote basket of ODM year in, year out, or election in, election out. So, in as much as we support Prof.Anyang Nyongo's elevation as party leader, we are questioning what the Kisii nation is getting in this whole deal. Kisii nation has most members of parliament from ODM, but we are always neglected and sidelined when the positions are being dished out. And so we have question marks on that. I think the party has its own criteria. And the criteria may involve many things. Political experience, it may involve a stay in parliament, professional experience, education, age, and all those things. So that criteria may have been applied. And for me, really, Prof.Anyang Nyongo is the right person, if you ask me.